What happened? Huh? Huh? How old are you? 3 years old. How about si EJ? No, si EJ is 4 years old.
4.
How about si ate?
What? I can?
11?
Yes.
13?
Okay.
15?
17.
17?
Okay.
19? 20? 21?
22.
23? 25? 27? 29? So hanggang 20 ka lang ha.
Naka 25 na.
Naka 25 na.
Mommy, I want snack.
You want snack? You have money.
I don't have.
Oh, how can you buy snack if you don't have money?
I have money and food.
Where's your money?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna buy snacks?
Yeah.
Do you have money?
I don't have.
Oh, how can you buy?
I have money.
Where's your money?
Nothing.
Nothing? Yeah. You have to find job.
What?
Yeah. You find job, then you get salary, then you buy food.
Huh?
Understand? Are you big enough?
No.
Why?
I smaller.
You small? You cannot go to work?
Yeah.
Why? You said you're big already.
I'm not big. It is big.
You just big?
Yeah.
Oh,
I cannot. I small.
you're small?
Yeah.
How small?
Cannot.
Oh,
One more.
you sing nga, you sing. What you singing?
The legend.
Okay.
Like this.
Let it go.
Yeah. Mama needs snack.
Yes, mommy. Ano? Yes, mommy. Give you money.
No, I want mommy.
Mommy has money?
Now it don't have.
You don't have money?
Yeah.
So you don't get snack when you don't have money.
What else snack?
What kind of snack?
A gummy bear.
Gummy bears, not snack. What else? What else? What snack do you want?
I want gummy bear.
And what? Only gummy bear?
Yeah.
Gummy bear's not good, okay?
No, that's sour.
Sour?
Yeah.
Ew.
No, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
What else?
Ah.
Where's Kuya AJ?
Hachi.
Where's Lola?
Hachi.
Kaya ko
Okay,
gumawa
bye.
nito, ah.